Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm currently standing on the dock of an island behind me, which is full of abandoned buildings. This place is actually called Inchmickery. It's part of a set of forts known as Fortress 4th, I think. Yeah. So I'm gonna head up here and start going through these buildings, I guess. Alright guys, off we go. If we get dive bombed, I'm not going to be happy.
We're starting our explore at the harbour, located at the western tip of the island. We then proceeded to head towards one of the small guard rooms lining the western edge in order to take cover from the relentless seagulls.
Alright, we're going to go inside guys, because I'd rather not get pooed on. Right, great. We have to leave this anyway. But all right then. It stinks of bird poo in here. Yeah. Oh, it's because I'm standing on a mound of bird poo.
Well, you would have thumped it, eh?
Oh, look at these outer-facing embrasures. They go off around there, like an exterior wall to this building. Ooh, I'm literally sinking into the floor. There's birds' bones everywhere. Crunch. That was a skull. Alright, I'm going to go this way because there's literally nothing in here.
We went in the trees.
Right. Yeah, we've got a large tank.
Try and get to the main building quick. Yeah.
Got some piping.
We've got NJ computers, so yeah, let's go.
There's a hole in the wall. Wooden frames on the doors. Lights. Which way are you lot going? Left or right?
We're going down this way. We're going to head to the tallest thing.
Okay.
Whoa, you got that? Huge.
Oh wow.
Big pipe thing. Maybe a boiler or a water tank.
Yeah.
That's cool. Let's carry on.
We each began heading in different directions to cover the island on both sides, with Ed and I heading east in search of one of the large observation towers.
I don't know if it connects to the rest of the building. You've got steps here going up. Oh,
Should we use the steps?
Christ. I'm already dead, but I will step on them nonetheless. Let's get into this building quick. Doesn't smell very good, I'd imagine. It's a small room.
Does it not go up? Do we need to find another way up?
Yeah, we'll have to go around. Right, there might be a way in on these steps here. Come on up. Right, so this looks like some sort of lookout point or something. You can see quite a lot into the rest of the island there, and you can see there are loads of seagulls around. So we're just watching out for them, because they might try and attack us at some point, or we might get covered in bird crap. So be very careful. We also have to watch where we step, because there are lots of birds' nests around.
Oh look, Ed, up there. Cormorant, is it?
Yeah, it's a cormorant. There are lots of them down there too. Bird's nest there, watch out for it. Right. Right, come on, let's go. We just came up these wooden steps here, and this room's got some interesting features. Like, it's got a hole in the floor here, which probably would have been a mount for something at some point. Probably not a gun, not in a place like this. Maybe binoculars or something like that.
That's what I was thinking, yeah. This is an observation post we're in right now.
Yeah, if you look out the window here, there's a, I don't know if it's a shag or a cormorant. They're very similar except for their size. But you can see it in the window there. It's got like a beautiful green colour with like a little yellow bit beneath its bill. It's kind of just sitting around. Anyway, that's one of the main observation towers. I think that's the tallest one. Although it might only be just higher up on the island than the other one.
Although the history of this island dates back to as early as the 11th century, when it served as a remote religious settlement, its primary use comes from the First and Second World War. Inchmickery was first fortified at the start of World War I, with gun emplacements and observation towers being further reinforced in preparation for World War II. The island was designed to resemble a battleship when viewed side-on from the distance, and served to deter invading forces who were in the channel. We'll now return to Lewis and Jacob, who were heading to the island's western tip, where many of the ammunition stores were located.
Let's go in here. They're so loud. Oh, there's literally is that a duck?
What's that?
It looks like a duck. Alright. So we seem to have, I don't know, I guess he'd be run tracks or something. They might have had like a anti-aircraft mounted in here.
You see the windows for metal shutters as well.
Yeah. What do you reckon? They had like an 3-inch anti-aircraft in here, move it around on these tracks?
Yep.
And then shoot it out the windows, I guess. That's nice. Gives you a good view of the island, though. Why are seagulls so annoying?
These seagulls are annoying.
There's so many of
I
them.
knew it'd be loud, but like...
This is ridiculous. Oh, there's some cormorants down there. Look down there, look. Along the rocks.
Oh yeah.
You won't be able to see them on the camera, but there's a line of them. Don't go over there, because I don't want to disturb the nesting duck. We've got these big, these little things here coming out of the walls. I'm guessing they would have run all the way across the ceiling. Maybe they help manoeuvre the gun or something. Other than that, there's not much in here. I think that's going to be the case in most of these places. Most of them are just like big empty buildings. But we'll have a look around them all anyway. If we can get around these stupid seagulls. Right, we're going this way. Wave 2. Oh look, baby seagulls.
Oh. They're going to know.
Yep, the mothers will get a bit triggered. Some broken off stairs down there. So watch where you're putting your feet. There's a nest in here.
In the nest.
Down there. Oh, there's bones as well. Are there more than one? Okay, this looks like an external observation point. This is a sniper rifle embrasure looking out to the coast. And you've got these 3 larger embrasures. They might have been, I think they're probably for machine guns. There's also a bit of wood on the wall over here. They might have had like a sign or something posted up there, and you can see the remains of like a bracket to hold a bench in place along the wall. I just saw a cormorant come up here somewhere. Just so if this runs out of battery or charge, or time to record, we can use yours instead. You can see the what are they called? Hinges for the doors there. I think they probably would have been 2-inch thick steel doors. Alright, let's go down here. This is actually ridiculous. There's so many of them. Found a set of stairs. Huh? What does it say?
Electric cables.
Oh, okay. Is there anything in here? Oh, there's some eggs. Is there a bird there?
With 3 branches.
There's like oh, there's chicks.
Chicks.
I don't want to disturb those. Especially with the mothers flying around overhead.
They would be absolutely iron.
That was literally the same as the one we've just been in, except it's full of nests. Oh dear. Keep going. Keep going along that way. We'll head up to where Gabe's dad is. Whoa, they're getting a bit low. Oh.
Is that coming from some observation post?
Yeah, I think this is an observation post.
One of the ones that's on either side of the island.
I think this is the smaller one, so we'll go for this one because they said they were going to the big one. Yep. There's an underground as well, just saw it.
Metal door.
Find out for. There's a gap in the floor, isn't there? Nests, are there eggs in there? Oh, I see. Alright, this is a bit of a boring room. I think this would have been the where the electrics or something was down here. Engineering room. You've got this little box here, probably a fuse box. All these cables going upwards. Down here. What we got in here? Empty room, I think. Oh, hang on. Along this wall, looks like you've got like a bunch of wood to hold like circuits and stuff in place. Yeah, I think these are all electric cables. There's a bracket, an electrics box up in the corner, running along there. Yada yada yada. Alright. See if we can get any higher in this observation tower. Oh, there's like a nest right there. Mind you. This looks cool. Yeah. I think this looks like a.
What, some sort of like a central office?
No.
They've taken all the corrugated iron and stuff off the roof, I guess, because this probably would have been bracketed in here. Probably like an officer's position. Got these little rooms in here.
There's a room underneath us.
Is there? Yeah. Alright then.
I'm not sure what it would have been for, though. You think they'd been, if there were people positioned, there'd be an air raid shelter somewhere?
This looks like a residential building or something because they've got a big chimney there. Should we go around that side, see what's there, down there? Oh, go away.
Eggs, well no, it's cracked already.
You can see all the rebars on the floor down here.
Yeah.
I guess they've been thrown off.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, my phone's in my pocket. That is never a good plan.
My phone's in my inside pockets, which is zipped up. Go away. There's like a little...
This is relentless, isn't it, this noise?
It's ridiculous. There's like a little cubby hole in there. Got those little rooms. This is getting absolutely ridiculous. I don't exactly know what they're planning to accomplish by doing this either. I wouldn't stay still for too long.
No,
they'll stop aiming. On the bright side, if we get in the tree bit, they won't be able to fly near us. Shut it! Bloody seagulls.
Nope.
Maybe.
Back around, the other way?
Go around, that's
Get around
collapsed.
Go through that one,
Where can we go?
then.
Yeah, okay, let's go all the way around.